说着话，麻雀枝头叫喳喳，鸳鸯戏水成双对，翠鸟湖面鱼儿飞。喜鹊报喜吉祥到，乌鸦帮忙来筑巢，凤凰勤劳心地好，七彩羽毛传说送今朝。
梧桐树下的牵挂，生命的枝桠，百鸟朝凤迎春夏，梦想都开了花。鹦鹉学舌说着话，麻雀枝头叫喳喳，鸳鸯戏水成双对，翠鸟湖面鱼儿飞。喜鹊报喜吉祥到，乌鸦帮忙来筑巢，凤凰勤劳心地好，七彩羽毛传说送今朝。
My wish is to
Help Grandpa Tree solve the drought.
Little Phoenix, don't blame me. My wish is to let Little Phoenix come back. What's going on? Is Little Phoenix alive again? Has the wish come true? Why are the colorful wings not working? What do we do? What do we do? We can't catch them! Little Phoenix! Where are you? Where are you? You're lying! King of Birds, give the Little Phoenix back to me! Give the Little Phoenix back to me!
The wish failed to come true.
King of Birds, give the Little Phoenix back to me! Give the Little Phoenix back to me!
King of Birds, I beg you! Save Grandpa Tree! Save our home! King of Birds, tell me, how can I save Grandpa Tree and solve the drought in my hometown?
Don't think you can escape just by hiding! I won't give up! Come on, come on! birds? King of birds, wait for me! Ah! Are you Little Phoenix? It's really you. I thought you were dead. The wish really came true. You're alive again. Great. Oh no! The wish was used by me to save your life. You didn't have time to ask that question, did you? We got nothing, right?
I already know the answer. Let's go home, and we can solve the drought together.
Okay. Can we take a break? It will take a long time to go home.
The way back home is not as long as you think.
Wow!
They will hold you. Don't always hang on to me.
Huh? Like cotton candy. Wow, it's real!
All right, it's time to go back now.
I'm sorry.
King of birds?
Good to see you again. I want to thank you for helping us fly over Snow Mountain.
It's my honor.
Everyone, look!
King of birds? It's really the king of birds! Little Crow, you really invited the king of birds? Eh? Where's Little Phoenix?
Mr. Peacock, I am Little Phoenix.
Huh?
All right, let's solve the drought. I need everyone to help me gather as many clouds as possible.
Hey! It's raining! It's raining!
This is the story of the King of Birds saving Grandpa Tree and solving the drought. From then on, Grandpa Tree provided shelter and food for the birds, and the birds birds also tried their best to take care of Grandpa Tree. Phoenix, as the king of birds, would always protect the homeland of birds. All right, this is the end of the story.
Wow! The king of birds is so cool! Grandpa, where's Phoenix's friend, Little Crow? How is he?
Oh, him? He remembered all these stories and told them to future generations. You know, he's the only bird who has touched the feather of the king of birds.
Wow! The Little Crow is so awesome!
I think so too.
清早起床，阳光洒在我们的身旁，蓝天白云鸟儿飞过，欢乐的时光。鱼儿水里拍打浪花，小凤凰学飞充满欢乐。喜鹊唱歌，乌鸦拍声，欢笑声多美好。清风祝福我们拥有智慧和力量，没有烦恼，没有忧愁。梧桐树结的果子叫做幸福家乡，展翅翱翔，从蓝天飞过。五彩世界充满喜怒哀乐。